Good morning all, and my name is Teja, and my child just completed the LKG section and he's promoted to HKG. But after all, we are living from here, from the root school. But now the experience from here, that means it's very supportive and careful. This thing we got from the root school staff and the teachers, and I'm very thankful to all. And my child improved very well, because when he came to the nursery playgroup, he was very naughty and he is very stubborn student. But he improved his knowledge, he's improved the reading skills, he improved the basic. He got a good basic from this school, and I'm thanking to everyone, mainly to the principal and to all the staff and all the members who make my child to bring up here. And I'm thanking you all, and all the very best to the roots, and you will get a good bright future, and thank you.